This exhibition is by the ceramic sculptor Ray Meeker, who has lived in Pondicherry. So it's purely ceramic sculpture, but that doesn't mean that we're a ceramics gallery. We show paintings, sculptures, videos, a lot of photography as well. We have a very wide range of artists, and we show a very wide range of artworks, everything from abstract painting to socio-political video, documentary, and everything in between. At this point, the gallery is quite established, so we've been here more than 16 years.
If you like this video, do like and share it. And if you want to see more such videos, do subscribe to DelhiPedia's YouTube channel.